And time to switch songs. Yeah, I'm hungry.
Careful.
What? Yeah, I'm hungry.
What you doing, bro?
Doing good. Damn you! I'm trying to like freaking do it. I won't freaking go. Fuck. Okay, yeah, finally. Oh my god. I took forever. What's going down?
Ooh, God.
Oh man, more ice trails.
Careful.
Yep, sliding.
Okay, I see that's close there.
Yes. It's an old man. And you say come back on Thursday.
Yeah, I'll come back on another day now. And then maybe hope the snow clears a bit. It is kind of dangerous.
Yeah, like we said, yeah. How many times we split?
I slipped once.
I slipped one. No, I slipped 2 times. I slid down the stairs. I slipped, I was like, okay, fuck this, I'm sliding down the stairs.
Yeah. Well, I should have done that.
So I mean my ass hurt, but it was worth it.
Yeah, my ass kind of hurt. After that, like,
Oh, and I cross-leg fell. Holy crap.
yeah, cross leg slip.
Yes. Like a cross-leg slip like a boss.
I'm so glad I have this on. If I didn't, I think it's GG for the glass. But I have a lens filter on too, so I guess that could work.
Okay. That works.
The lens filter's like $60.
Who? Fuck. You got for Hong Kong?
No, I got from Pizza Shop. The lens filter a long time ago.
What's testing? It is why I sometimes can't hear you in vent. Yeah. So loud. Getting dark. Real dark.